Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI P50 Pocket, and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom in order to find system and updates. Here we have to enter the reset option, which is right here, and as you can see on the second position we've got reset network settings, so let's tap. And here your device will inform you that it will reset all network settings including Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. So let's tap on reset network settings. And here, if you've got a pattern PIN or password, then your device will ask you to enter it to confirm the whole step. Again, your device will inform you that you will reset the settings, and this operation cannot be undone. So just tap on reset network settings again, and as you can see, we've got the information that the network settings finally have been reset successfully. So actually, this is it. This is how to reset network preferences in your HUAWEI P50 Pocket. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.